Okay, the first step to selling digital products online without a fancy website or a large audience is to pick a profitable topic, okay? I say profitable topic because not every topic that you might want to talk about or even create a digital product on is going to be profitable for you. Some topics make more money than others. And so I see a lot of shaming online where people get really frustrated and they say things like, oh, you have to be talking about business in order to make money online. You have to be teaching people something to do with money. Actually, that's not true. I personally have clients who are making a killing in their digital products who are teaching things in the relationship category or careers or like getting a better job or designing your home or designing your wardrobe, you know, and just having better clothes. So it doesn't necessarily have to be about making money. That said though, there are certain topics that do better than others. And so I see a lot of people get kind of miffed because they personally feel very passionate about a specific topic, but just quite frankly, in the marketplace, that is the online marketplace, that topic does not make a lot of money. Meaning people don't want to pay to learn about that topic via digital products, and you can't be mad at the people for that, okay? It just is what it is. So if you're curious about specifically how to come up with profitable topics to even create digital products on, I encourage you to download my Profitable Problems Checklist, which goes over the methodology to really thinking through which topics and problems should I solve for my target market that's actually going to be worth it for me, where I can make some money.